Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how we can find sound settings in this smartphone. So at the first, you have to go for your settings, find sounds and vibration, and as you can see, here we are. We can quickly change the sounds mode. We can also change ringtone, notification sound, vibration patterns, sound quality effects. We can change system sound and vibration control. So as you can see, there's a lot of things that we can customize in the Samsung smartphones. Basically, that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.